Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the KitchenAid Artisan Mixer. This is the silk pink 4.8 litre and it cost £473 from Dawson's department store. I'll put links in the description. I'll also put links to other places if I can find it cheaper elsewhere if you want to take a look. The reason I went for this one is because it came with a free Morphy Richards 5-piece knife block set, which I'll just show you, which is there, you can see that. It's got a 5-year warranty on it, so they must be durable. So yeah, I'm not going to necessarily do a review, I'm just going to do an unboxing and show you what's inside, and then maybe we'll just see it, you know, working later on. So I'll just take everything out of the box right now and put it on the top there. So yeah, right out of the box we have the main bowl, which is a 4.8 litre bowl. We have the spur bowl, which is a 2.8 litre bowl. We have the a flat beater, we have a door hook, and we have a flex edge beater. Let's put it better on your view better. The wire whip is attached inside there, as you can see. Now, something to mention, you can't put that in the dishwasher, but you can put the rest of the parts in the dishwasher. So the bowls and these, but definitely not the, I'm going to call that a whisk, definitely not the whisk. So obviously it has a guard on it, it has different speeds, blah blah blah. This bit here, I didn't know this until now, but this bit is for, just give me one moment, this piece of card came inside and it shows you all the different things it can do. Like, you can make spaghetti and you can mince meat, as you can see there, which I didn't know this could do, which I think is amazing. I mean, you can attach a blender to it, an actual blender, which is insanity if you ask me. So yeah, I mean, it's got different bowls you can buy there as well. So yeah, that came in the box as well. So that's cool. That is our old mixer. That was about £120, I think it was, from Argos. That is a Russell Hobbs, and it had a 5 litre bowl, which is slightly bigger than the KitchenAid, but I mean, this is still big enough. I got this from my fiance, by the way, who's started out baking this year. I'll put a link in the description. Check out some of her cupcakes, they look really amazing, especially the floral ones. So yeah, that's more of a budget mixer, but that has been brilliant. It's not broke or anything. Like I said, I bought this as a gift to my fiance, but there's definitely nothing wrong with this one. This one's been a really good mixer, and we'll probably sell that on to someone else. So yeah, so we've got all the different speeds on here, and on the back there's a lever that you move over that unlocks the let's do it for you. It unlocks this. Take the cover off first. Yeah, so obviously there's a splash cover that came with it, but the lever on the back, when you push this down, you'll pull the lever over, push it down, then allow that lever to move back into position, and it just locks it in place, makes sure it can't go anywhere. This overall is very heavy. I'm not sure how heavy it is, but I'll put it on the screen for you. So yeah, other than that, I don't think there's anything else to mention. I mean, like I said, I'm not going to do a review type video with this one. I'm just unboxing it and showing you everything, and then maybe in a little while later on, when the my fiance is baking, I'll just show you in action.